Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I just got a new camera, so I'm excited to film for you guys. So today is just gonna be a get ready with me video. These are my favorite videos to film, just because I get to talk about like makeup and hair products. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you're interested in this look, then keep on watching. I hope you guys can see me, but yeah, this is my bare face with no makeup. As you can see, I have a lot of discoloration from acne scars, where I've broken out around my period. I also have discoloration on my body from my eczema flare-ups, so don't mind that. I'm like so nervous, I don't know why. So I've already like washed my face. I don't like to use any harsh chemicals. I like to keep all of my hair and makeup products natural as possible, with the least amount of chemicals. So I've already rinsed my face off. I applied my moisturizer, which is the Josie Maran. Photo focus. There we go. I like to use this moisturizer because it is very moisturizing for my dry skin on my face, and it doesn't burn my skin as well. So I like to apply this in the morning time and at night before I go to sleep, and it just does the job. It's ultra hydrating. It's the Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter by Josie Maran. My face is in the way. So as you can see, it's really thick. So once I rinse my face off, I like to use a warm towel to get like all of the dead skin off of my face, and then I like to go in with this. And for my eyes, whenever I'm flaring up from my eczema, sometimes they get really dry and like red. Right now it's doing a lot better, but I recently picked this up from Sephora. It's the QOTD and smoothing eye cream. I asked the woman at Sephora something that's natural and hydrating for my under eyes, and she recommended this to me just because I like all of the other QOTD products. I've tried their moisturizing sorbet for the face, and it's really hydrating. So I've given this a shot and I really like it so far. I have a mirror here. And then I just like to go in and dab around like the corners and inner corners of my eye, because that's where it gets really dry and flaky. And it's just really light and cooling as well, so I really like this. The Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Just adds a nice base, super fresh, super moisturizing. I'm just gonna go in with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. This has been my go-to foundation. I mean, let me know if you guys know any like natural foundations for women of color in the comments. I know there's a few other ones that I've been wanting to try out. I go back and forth between this one, and when I don't feel like wearing a foundation, I'll go in with my Naked Skin from Urban Decay, just a concealer, and I like to spot treat with this as well. But for now, I've been loving the Tarte foundation. I really don't like the dropper, how to dispense this product, but I don't really care. I just dab it on my face. Alright, so once that's on, I'm just gonna go in with this e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. I've been wanting to buy some new makeup brushes lately. Let me know in the comments what your guys' favorite makeup brush is. I always go for a natural look. I don't like my makeup feeling too cakey. I like it to look as skin-like as possible. So I really don't use too much. I just like to have an even base to work with. So I do get my brows threaded. I ain't even gonna lie, the last time I went, just because I was so desperate to get them done, I got them done by someone different, and I will never do that again. Because the girl that I wanted to go to, she wasn't working that day, so they made them a little bit too skinny for my liking. So next time that I go, I'm gonna go to the same girl. She keeps them thick for me. She knows exactly what I like my brows to look like. So I just like to go ahead and outline my brows with this product. Okay, once I brush them out, I like to go in with the e.l.f. Will it focus? With the e.l.f. brow kit, and this is what it looks like. And this just kind of helps them to stay in place. I spend a lot of time on my brows because whenever you do your brows, it frames your face really nicely. It's like I cannot go a day without doing my brows because I just feel like Okay, once I have filled in my brows, then I like to go in with my favorite brow gel. This is the Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara, and this is in the color Deep Brown. I've been using this product for a couple years now. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and set my brows with this so they don't go anywhere. Yeah, she definitely trimmed off too much of my brow hairs, but it's all good. Okay. All right, so once I've done my brows, I already look better. Oh my gosh. Okay, so once I do my brows, and then I like to go in with the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks Trio. I don't really contour every day, but I definitely do like to conceal and highlight. That's my favorite thing to do. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Matchsticks in the color Caramel as my under eye concealer. And you don't really need a lot of this. This is just to highlight underneath. And then I go in with my okay. Then for my highlighter, I just like to put it on the high points of my cheekbones. Oh, and by the way, this is in the color Rum. I go down the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow. Then I just go in with the stippling brush from e.l.f. And this is more of like a bronzy highlight too, but I really like it on my skin tone. It's more of a subtle highlight. Of that, I'll go in with the Becca highlight. So sad. I need to get another highlighter or put it back together or something. So then I just like to just lightly dust this on top. Drugstore blush from Maybelline Fit Me in the color mauve. Yeah, on my cheeks. I usually don't wear blush, but I've been wearing blush every day. And it's just pretty, a nice subtle pink. I've just been using the Benefit Roller Lash mascara. I barely have any eyelashes, as you can tell. And they're super curly. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend out that blush a little bit because it's looking a little rosy. And I feel like every time I go to record, I forget to do a step, but I also like to use the Josie Maran Surreal Skin Argan Finishing Balm. It's just like a product that you can use before you put your makeup on as like a primer. It has little specks of shimmer in it too, so it gives you like a nice natural, oh, I saw somebody. It gives you a nice natural glow from within. So lastly, I think I'm done besides lip. Lastly, I've recently been like accentuating my little beauty marks that I have. So I'm just gonna go in with that same brow pencil from Collab, and then I'm going to just darken my beauty marks that get lost in the foundation. We have one here. And then the ones on my nose. And that's it, guys. Oh, let me get a lip product. I've been loving lip glosses lately, which I usually prefer matte lipsticks. So let me go grab that real quick. All right, so this is an old lipstick from Milani, but it's a really pretty pink color. So I'm just gonna go in with that as my base. Just put it in the middle. And then I'm gonna go in with the Rose Gold Metallic Lip Gloss from Victoria's Secret. I have so many of their lip products just from working there and getting discounted ones or free ones. But this is just a really pretty gloss. I'm guessing because it's springtime, I've been really liking just natural glowy moisturizing products. I'm a little glossy and on. You know, it's time to do my hair. Okay guys, so I just have work today. So I'm not doing anything special to my hair, basically is what I'm trying to say. I'm just gonna keep it in a puff, which is my go-to style. My hair, it needs to be washed, so I'm probably gonna wash it tomorrow. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see my wash routine. I'm just gonna go in with some water, which is what I like to use every day to refresh my hair. I don't tie it up at night. I sleep on a satin pillowcase, so at least my hair is still being protected that way. And then I'm gonna be going in with the Obia Naturals. They were so kind enough to send me their whole product line, and I've been loving it. Me and my husband, we share pretty much hair products and skin products, and he's also been enjoying them. So this is the Curl Enhancing Custard. It's got a weird smell, but it's got the texture of like a pudding, but I like to use it on my edges and just to smooth down my hair. So I'm just gonna go in and put this on around the front of my hair. I'm going with my handy dandy shoestring. I use a black shoestring to pull my puffs up because it's not too tight on my scalp. My hair is super thick and dense, so any little bobby pin or tight ponytail holder, it just hurts my head so much. So I'm just gonna pull up my hair like this, not too tight. Wrap it around. Ooh. Tuck it in. And then fluff it out. Normally I would put in some type of moisturizing product, like a cream. I'm probably gonna wash it tomorrow, so I'm not too worried about moisturizing my whole head. The water does just fine. It just kind of refreshes the curls so it's not all crusty looking. Okay, then I just like to fluff it out. My hair shrinks up a lot, as you guys can tell. Make sure you hide the shoestring too. So this is what it looks like. Like literally, look at this, the shrinkage. I'm just gonna go back in with the curl enhancing custard and just kind of smooth it out. And there you have it, guys. Woo! I'm dropping everything. Leave this on my hair for like a couple minutes, not too long. I look crazy. Alright guys, so it's been a couple minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this bandana, and this is what your edges will look like. Kind of shrinks up my puff, but you can just kind of fluff it out a little bit more. I like my puff to be voluminous. This is my everyday routine for makeup and for hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It should be somewhere here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!